Hello friends, welcome to my course Adobe Photoshop CC 2019 Essential Training. In this video, I will explain you what exactly Photoshop is and how we can use it. This is the introduction video about the Photoshop. So here you can see like Photoshop we can use as a graphic designer, as a 3D graphic designer, as a web designer, as a video editor, and as a mobile application designer. When we talk about graphic designer, as a graphic designer, you can design different things in Adobe Photoshop. Like you can edit images first of all. For retouching you can use, and you can design business cards, flyers, brochures, and lots of other stuff you can design as a graphic designer. As a 3D graphic designer, you can design 3D text and 3D images. As a web designer, we can design templates or mockups in the Photoshop, and then if you are a developer, then you can convert that design into a working website. As a video editor, we can also import videos in Adobe Photoshop, and then we can apply different things like adjustments of colors and lots of other things we can apply to the video. Or even we can create or compose the video from scratch to the advanced level. As a mobile application designer, we can also design templates or mockups for the mobile applications. And then if you are a mobile application developer, you can convert that design into a proper working mobile application. So like this, in these ways we can use Photoshop. After learning all these things, whatever I will explain in this course, I will teach in this course, you will able to design lots of things, believe me. So thank you very much for watching this video.